Hi everybody, it's Cynthia Closet Revival. Well, believe it or not, it's almost October. It's still going to be in the 80s today, but we have been buying fall and winter clothes for a while, and that's still what we're looking for. And we always try to qualify it with Texas fall and winter, especially when it comes to coats. Today we're going to talk to you about some of the different coat styles that are very popular this season, and they're also the ones that we're looking to buy from you as well. So I'm going to jump right in with vests. So these are really a great weight for us in the winter, just in the fall. I've heard some people call these their dog walking coats. I think that's a pretty apt description. This one's from Talbots, and this is a cut of vest that's really flattering on. A lot of them can just be super puffy and you just look like that marshmallow man. This style is going to be a lot more flattering. It's much lighter weight but still warm. It's quilted, and then the side seams have this little knit gusset in it. So super flattering. As I mentioned, this one's from Talbots. They retail for over $100 at Talbots. This one's a medium. We've got it for just $35. Great deal. Everybody's favorite, Vinyard Vines. So this is their classic polar fleece zip-up vest. It's also good if you're a golfer or you exercise outside a lot, so you have your arms free. This one retails at Vinyard Vines for $98. It's a size small, and we've got it for just $30. Another super good value. You can never go wrong with denim in Texas. This brand is level 99. They have it at Anthropology. It is a medium and $30 as well. That seems to be the magic price right now for a jacket. And coats, honestly, they're a great thing to get resale because they're super expensive new. I think you forget, I don't go in a full retail store that often, but a couple $100s for a nice jacket. But anyway, can't go wrong with denim. It's good to throw over just a pair of jeans. You can wear it with a dress, just a ton of ways you can use it. We really love leather as well, but it's going to be more this style leather. Doesn't necessarily have to be embellished if that's not what you have in your closet, but the style that sells better for us are these more fitted styles and that zip up the front. This one's a super great color. It is all leather. We do good with pleather as well if that's what you have. This one's actually $35 in a large. Pretty. This style is super on trend. It's that bomber jacket. It was in last season as well. A lot of great things going for it, starting with the style. And then the fact that it's floral. There's still a ton of florals out this fall as well. This brand is V Christina. They have it at stores like Nordstrom's and Dillard's. And our magic coat price, $30 again. You want something a little less girly, this military style jacket, still super in. It's a little bit longer, so it's going to keep it a little warmer on the bottom too. And that great olive green color that we've highlighted in other videos. This one is from Gap. It's a small, and it's only $24. I would say by far the brand that we do the best with in coats is North Face. So pretty much anything you have North Face, we're going to be interested in. A couple of different styles that do well for us. Just their lighter weight little polar fleece jacket, zip up with a hood. This one's a medium, $35. This is a more substantial coat. So if you're going skiing, it's waterproof. It's got a lot of extra pockets in it. Sort of like that neoprene fabric. And this one is also medium and $55. And then everybody loves their the fuzzy style jacket that they do. This has those little gussets inset as well, so it's not going to make you look quite as round as some of those all over fuzzy jackets that they make. It does have a hood too, and this one is a large and $45. I would say for our weather, let's see, let me move these down a little bit. This is a style that I just really like a lot, and it's this longer cardigan slash coat. So it's not adding a lot of extra bulk to you, but it's going to be nice and warm. They're really flattering, this longer style, and you can also belt it if you want to too. This one does have a hood. It's from Loft. It's a medium and just $22. This just came in today. Like, I love this. I really sort of want this for myself. The brand is JOA Los Angeles. It's another brand they have at Anthropology. It says it's an extra small, but I think it's not an extra small. I think probably it can work for a lot of different sizes. It's just $28. I'm seeing a lot of the younger blogger girls online with like wearing little cut-off shorts and these long kind of grandpa sweaters. Maybe not your look, but like these sweaters are out everywhere because of that, I think.
Isn't that pretty?
You've got football games to go to in the fall. These ponchos are really great. This is Talbots too, and it's brand new with the tag still on it. It's just $24, and it's really just a little wrap blanket, so it's super easy to take on and off. And Plaid's still super big, so we've got a lot of these. We also have a lot of ones new from market. They're a little bit thinner. And then finally, I'm going to move these a lot closer to me. Pretty much anything faux fur, and especially if it's a vest. These sell really well for us. We love to see these come in the door when somebody wants to sell them. This is a really nice fitted one with a little belt. Really pretty color faux fur. The brand is Kristen. It's a medium, $45. And these are super pricey new. And then we'll wrap up with Michael Kors. This one's really fun. Much different style with kind of like the different longer faux fur look on the bottom. It's an extra large and $50. So if you have a project to clean out your coat closet, we hope you'll do that. Bring them on in. We'd love to pay you cash for it. Have a great week, and we'll be back on Thursday with a new video. Thanks for watching.